वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसली साऊद आनी भलायकीन. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन्स अगेन Christmas cake, as the Christmas is near and no soaking for overnights or maybe 2 nights or 20 days or 1 month. This is an instant cake which is Christmas cake without eggs again. So what we need is, so I'm going to make 2 batches of cake. So for 2 batches of cake I will be adding around total 4 cups of all purpose flour, that is maida, and this is around 400 grams. So I got it from our Delfinos. So it is 400 grams and it cost me 384. So what we have to do, so this we need, maida we need, few ingredients, and then you can caramelize the sugar or you use brown sugar half cup. Then I'm going to use some 4 rupees of coffee, Nescafe. So in India we get like this. So you have to, it's like 4 teaspoons. So no, not 1 rupee, now it is 2 rupees. Earlier it was 1 rupee. So it is like 4 teaspoon of coffee, Nescafe, and some juice I will use to soak this, and hot water and coffee. So this all we need. So coffee we will add with our sugar, and for this we have to now make it what? This is my chopper, one the chef, and I have to make it like little bit fine, otherwise they have all this. You can use your mixer grinder if you don't have this. If not, try to buy one, because I want it nutty. So this is done. So now we'll take a bowl and I will take a little hot water, around 1/4 cup, and let it get melt in this. So I have used hot water. I will mix this. Now we will add some orange juice to this. To soak this at least few hours, let it get soaked in this. And we'll add this also, hot. So no alcohol, no eggs. This soak for a few hours, then I'll tell you what we need to add. Till then, see you. So now you have heard many times people using all purpose flour, and that is because it is included these 2 things. One is baking powder and one is baking soda. So this is 500 grams, that is half kg of maida, that is our white flour. Refined, I use always refined wheat flour. So what we need to make this all purpose flour, we need this of, for this quantity, 2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so this is 2 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So make it half teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. So this is what is all-purpose flour is made of. And then we have to just mix this all nicely and keep aside. And whenever you want to make and don't want to add anything like baking soda and it becomes how much to use, what to use, then this is it. Just directly add to your batter this thing and it's done. So only see that you mix this all nicely. You can add a pinch of salt if you want, but it depends on what recipe you are making. So now this is nicely mixed. So here it is, our all-purpose flour. So mostly UK or any Europe places, they don't use plain flour. They will use this all-purpose flour, which these two things are already included. Okay. Welcome again. So now this is my soaked. So I have not soaked it overnight. It is just for few hours and it is nicely soaked. So because this is instant cake, it is not like you have to. The aroma is very nice. So now what we will do, we will divide this, because when you are adding self-risen flour, that is all-purpose flour, that time you have to see that you are baking it quickly. So I will remove this half, around 2 of this, and see, this is 1, this is 2. I will take more in this, so then we can divide our this. So for this quantity of our, we will add our all-purpose flour, that is self-risen flour, around 2 cups. So 1, and 2. So 2 cups of this. Keep aside everything which is not needed, and we will mix this all nicely. Okay, we mix this all nicely together. So if in between, if you need anything, then you can add some juice to this. Now we can add this also. And mix this nicely. So either you can add juice or you can add some warm, hot water and mix this. Because I divided that to this, because otherwise lots of nuts also, it becomes too much. But depends, like if you want a lot of nutty, then it's up to you. So mix this very nicely. So we want like this. So preheat your oven for around 200 degrees for 20 minutes and keep your tins ready to bake. So here are my, I'm going to do directly in this. Grease it with butter. Mix, 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 mix. So I've added around like half cup of water, plain hot water. So now if you want to add salt, you can add pinch of salt to this. It's up to you. And bake this on a pan without oven. Okay, so I preheated my oven. I preheated my pan this way. So this is like non-stick, so it is preheated, and we'll place this now. So around 10 minutes you preheat this, and you keep this now here on this, and we'll close this, and we'll on low flame. So low flame for 45 minutes. Let it get baked in this. Let's see. I'll show you the result. So it's here. Done. And now don't open this till it is done. So here is the cake over here is ready. And I'll show you. And it's done. Okay, so we will leave it like this only. So this is done. So I had done 2.